What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna go over my carry-on essentials slash must-haves. So the two main places where you can find these essentials and must-haves are Walmart and Amazon. So let's get to it. So first things first, you obviously need luggage. You need a good rolling bag and you need a good backpack. All airlines, with the exception of Frontier and Spirit, allow you to have one carry-on bag and one personal item. That carry-on bag can be a rolling bag and your personal item can be a backpack. You also need a good neck pillow. Depending on how long your flight is, either it's over an hour or it's a long haul flight, a red-eye flight, having a good neck pillow is the way to go. If you have a neck pillow and a blanket, you're golden. Sometimes airplanes can get really cold. That being said, having a good beanie is also a must-have. For me, a satin-lined beanie is really good. I'm not typically down with the movement of wearing your satin cap to the airport, but if you have a satin-lined beanie, no one knows. Also, if you're on a long-haul flight, you want to keep your hair protected, right? Well, a satin-lined beanie will help. It's also good practice to carry a nice light jacket, again, because the airports can be chilly, as well as the airplanes. Part of my carry-on essentials, I love to bring a footrest. Specifically because all the flights out of Alaska are over 3 hours. Unless you're flying within Alaska, then it's a little bit shorter. But if you're leaving Alaska or if you're going on a long-haul flight, you want to be comfortable. And for me, that is propping my feet up. Not on my luggage that's underneath the seat in front of me, but on an actual footrest. I found this one from Amazon and I have not stopped using it, especially on long haul flights. You can't forget your chargers and your power banks. A lot of the flights nowadays have outlets, either USB outlets in the TV screen or actual like 110 volt outlets underneath the seat in front of you. But whenever you have a long layover and you need to keep all of your electronics charged, having a charger or a power bank is a must. Speaking of the TVs, having noise canceling headphones, specifically one with the aux cord so you can plug it into the TV, is definitely an essential. You want to watch some movies, right? Either some movies, catch up on TV shows. They also have live TV on some flights, and you need some headphones that you can actually plug into the TV in order to listen to them. So having those noise canceling headphones with that capability is definitely a must for me. Sunglasses and eye coverings are also an essential. Sometimes you can be flying in the middle of the day and everybody else wants their window open but you, and that's perfectly okay. So if you need true darkness in order to fall asleep, having an eye mask or eye cover will definitely help. Sunglasses work as well. Some other things that I find as essentials: gum for whenever your ears are popping during takeoff and landing, cough drops just in case you have like an itchy throat in the mornings or anything like that, Tylenol, motion sickness pills like Dramamine in case you have a headache or you get motion sickness from the airplanes. In my carry-ons, I love to have a little soap dish filled with a travel size toothbrush, toothpaste, a small deodorant, body spray, and sometimes I use the little Colgate wisps. Put that all together and you have like a freshen up pack for whenever you get to your destination. You don't want to greet your family members or your friends with stinky breath, right? And you need that deo for that BO. So having that in your carry-on bag is definitely one of my top essentials. And last but not least, cash is always good to have, just in case you forgot to put those travel notices on your credit card, or if credit card machines are down, you never know. Cash is always good to have. Lysol wipes are always good to have, just in case they forgot to clean your tray table and you open it up and there's crumbs everywhere. You don't want to put your laptop or your head on crumbs, right? Use a Lysol wipe and clean it up. And last but not least, face masks. You could wear them for your protection. Also, a good way to use your face mask, one, properly of course, and two, if you are a true hard sleeper on planes and you sleep with your mouth open, well, you could save yourself a little bit of embarrassment by wearing a face mask. then no one knows your mouth is wide open. Let me know down in the comments how many of y'all have done that. So, if I've missed anything, go ahead and put it down in the comments below. Also, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Whenever you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!